Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The previous trading week was bullish for the PSEi as we saw a follow-through rally from the breakout that occurred the week prior. The index closed at 6,850, exceeding our target resistance of 6,820. From the checklist that we have provided last week, we saw three of the following unfold along with the rally continuation: 1. Higher value turnover, 2. MACD crossover, and 3. Discontinuation of the forming bearish divergence with RSI. So far, the indicators we are monitoring are all pointing to bullish signals. Note, however, that last week's rally brought the PSEi to the resistance of its uptrend channel and its RSI is already at overbought state. This means that in the near term, a correction may occur. We can only accept a correction up to 6,650 for the PSEi's uptrend to resume.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Universal Robina Corporation. After reaching a peak of 156.50 last May 2023, URC fell as low as 108.10. Coincidentally, this low is also the stock's previous support back in October 2022, and URC managed to rebound from this level, allowing to form a strong base. Currently, URC is trading at 111.30, well within a sideways range. Measuring its range, we spotted a trading opportunity for URC. It may be bought at current levels or slightly above its small 5-day consolidation at 111.60. Our target is the top end of the box at 124.90, while we place our stop level below the sideways range at 107.50.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.